Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfarsmagicwave.com. Making this a small video, slow time, no volume, so I thought maybe I'll just make a video. So let's get started. This is the video about this week trade so far, yesterday, today, Monday, Tuesday, and so let's get started. Let me see if I can. On Monday, over the weekend, I saw that on Invi last Thursday and Friday. Let me show you if this is a pound index, let's say 20-minute chart, right? And here was the last week, Wednesday. Then this is a Thursday, and this was Thursday, the 14th, and then this is 15 on Friday, right? And obviously you can see here that after this, like this move and then this big move and then ABC correction 61%, and then start bouncing here, making higher high. So I said, okay, now it's opening up again to the upside, and it will go to the upside. So Thursday, Friday, and I made the entries, and so when the pound index is going up, pound is getting strong, and all pound pair will go up. That's the idea. So what I did with that was here on the 18th. This is the entry on Friday when I saw that pound index start going up, right? So pound USD, and then Friday, and then continue in Monday. This is all 18th. So I closed here on the 18th. So pound USD long with the pound getting strong. Pound Aussie long with the pound getting strong. Pound Newsy long. It was a beautiful entry here, here, here. All of these entries with this system, it gives a lot of entries. And then pound yen. So Monday, based on the pound index I just showed you, this is what happens. All pound pairs, four of them. And since CAD was also acting, so pound CAD I didn't take. But here, this is what Monday, and then Tuesday trades, Euro Aussie. This is also on Monday, on the 18th, right? You can see Euro Aussie. This is the entry again on Friday, going into Monday, right? And then Monday another Euro Aussie trade when it would dip a little bit and then go into the upside on the 18th. So two trades on Euro Aussie, and then USD CAD. Small trade, but something, right? Everything counts on the 19th today, because Aussie pair not moving, yen pairs not moving, pound pairs not moving. So what do? So I go after these pairs then. USD CAD, then Newsy USD. It's like these pairs I don't trade usually, but today I had to. Nothing was working. And last but not least, pound Newsy. Because of the Newsy very nicely getting strong, and it went all the way down. Beautiful entry here, and it was actually, this entry is on the 20-minute chart, but I'm just showing you that I took it from the 7-minute chart here, and this is the entry right now cooking, and I'm watching on the other computer here, so I might be taking, but the time is very bad, so it's not, nothing is moving right now, so I'm just watching. So these are the today's trade, and let me see what I'm expecting today. I'm just gonna give you a hint a little bit. This is the yen index chart, and this is, I made the chart when we were here, and then start dropping. And that day I had like almost 6 trades, and I even wrote. Let me see if I can go here and show you real quick. This is you all know that this website is a Forex Factory, right? So on my chart here, you can see that I posted this chart long time ago up here, saying that see this here, I said all yen pairs going to drop soon, be ready. I will be taking shorts in most yen pairs. And then guess what? Aussie yen short and Aussie yen short, that's the same chart. USD yen short, Euro yen short, CAD yen short, USD yen short, all on the 13th. That's what I wrote over there, that I'm going to take most short in most yen pair, and I did. pound yen short. That's what happened. So if you learn what is it that index is doing, this is amazing, right? And Aussie yen short, second entry, and that's, you can see here that this thing didn't even move yet. So it is continue moving. It's gonna come down here, right? And this is the chart that I'm. This is today's chart, which I made it again. That this is what's happening. See, it's coming down now again. So then I wrote that this yen index started to go down. All yen pairs are going down, and they will be going down as long as this thing moves and going to the downside. There's a level here. It's now mentioned as 53.38. If we stay below 53.38, right now it's 53.16. Right, so 53.30, and then there's a big, huge level, 53.19. So we need to take that out, and we are sitting just at that level, right? So if you take that out, and boom, it's gonna drop. And pound index as well. If I don't know if I have the chart here. This is actually pound index, not pound index, but it's pound yen. Weekly chart is also a very nice setup, right? It's ready to drop the 61% TL and a big monthly level. So pay attention to this, and it is based on also the pound index. But where the hell pound index chart is? Let me see if I can quickly get it. Pound index. I made it here. Yeah. So this is the pound index chart. Looks like pound yen chart exactly right. This is the TL, a little bit of a gray area. We may go up to the upside, but 63.13 is stopping at 78% touch. Nice TL. If we can stay below 53.15, this thing is gonna drop. And all pound pair, all pound pair, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound yen, pound USD, they all will be going down with it, because this index, that means pound itself getting weaker against all the currencies, and then they're all gonna be going down, and I'm gonna be taking shorts in most of the pairs, and I'll show you tomorrow my trades, just like I did before with Aussie charts, Aussie index chart, and I took Aussie trades, 4 of them, right, and I showed it. And then yen, I said they're all gonna go down, and I'm gonna take most of the shorts, most of the pairs, and I did. And now the time for this pound again, pound and yen both. All right, so they're both gonna drop. Pound is gonna get a strong. Yen is gonna get strong. Pound is gonna get weaker. Pound yen is the pair that I'm really watching, and that thing can tank big time. All right, so this is it for now. Pay attention to these. All yen pair to the short side. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.